Hello guys, I'm Vikram Mahajan and I'm studying in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology College, and I came across a training program which was mobile app development using Flutter, which was given to us by XLR Solutions. I came across this program through my college faculty who told us about this program, that it is a very good course and you should enroll in this course. So I enrolled in this course, and initially I felt really good about this course because they started everything from a very basic point of view, that even if someone who doesn't know anything about Flutter or anything about mobile app development can also learn the same way the ones who know about it are learning. So no student was left behind and everyone was given equal attention. All the doubts throughout the course were cleared, and if we had any questions also, we were like, the trainer was also ready to important the students are to them. So it was a really good experience with XLR's program, and by the end of the training program I was able to develop my own application. And through the development also there was another point, our sir taught us about how we can connect our own mobile phone to our laptop and write code in our laptop, and you can see the output in your phone, which was really creative and interesting for me. I felt really good about that. So in the end I developed my own mobile application. I showed it to my mother, I showed it to my friends. I felt really good about it. So I would really suggest XLR. I would recommend it to all my friends to take courses from here, as they focus on the children, focus on the students, and they focus on what's necessary, that is the students' doubts gets cleared and everything else. So today I came down to the XLR office to collect my certificate. So I got to know about what other courses XLR is offering. It included data analysis, data analyst, social media marketing, and full stack Java, and many more courses which were interesting, and they gave us an insight of how everything happens. And they take you through the course from the starting of the course to the end, and what next, that is placements as well, how you should be going into the interviews and how you should be approaching to companies, your resume building, and there were so many things which XLR is going to help you in, and they are ready to give you all the knowledge required even if you are a beginner. So I really felt good about this visit, and I would really recommend XLR to everyone who's listening to this, and also to all my friends, that I had a very good experience with XLR, and I would suggest you to experience the same. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Satish and I am from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology. I am here to share my experience about XLR program. I took part in the XLR program that was conducted in the last month about the mobile app development using Flutter. What I liked the most about this session was the trainer started from the scratch. That means even the beginner who don't know about the basics of the program, even they can learn the most from this program. It gave me hands-on experience by developing a project which was the final outcome. Thank you XLR for giving me this opportunity, and I would also recommend all my friends to take part in the XLR programs. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Tasneem. I'm the senior manager at 98 percentile in the HR department. And today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time we would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. It was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back-end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Hi everyone, my name is Prachi Sharma and I'm the Senior Project Manager for IT Department at 90th percentile. So today we were here for this IT bootcamp, right, this technical drive and at XLR. So it was a great experience and I would feel that the students, they are the freshers, right, but it doesn't seem like that. So if I talk about their technical and cognitive ability, they all seems pretty good in that and that's what I felt. And I guess they have been taught pretty well at XLR, so that's how they have performed good in their aptitude and the technical tests. So I wish them all the best and it was a very great experience over here.
Hi, this is Patan, Technology Consulting Manager from 98th percentile. We visited XLR for the campus placement drive and it went very well today. Miss Ambika, Miss Pragati, everyone received us greatly here and we had a lot of enjoyable time here. The students even had great experience with us. They were interactive, they had good aptitude and all the technological skills they showed. I think they were all well and we really appreciate their time that they spared to us and I think we will be doing a great job. We are expecting a lot of people to be hired from them. Let's see. It was a great experience altogether.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
From entering into the cyber tower to exiting out of this tower, the XLR team has been received me with such a care and pleasure.
I am the part of this XLR since 4 months. From the third month itself, they have conducted the placement sessions from the third month itself, and this is the fourth month, and this is the 98th percentile is one of the placement drive I have attended so far, and attending to this drive is such a good experience for me. All the HRs and the team made us feel very comfortable and confident.
XLR helped me a lot, and I experienced a lot of things today. So I'm really hope to be placed in that company. I'm confident about that. Thank you.
This was my first association with XLR. I had got a call from Miss Shubha, and we fixed a drive here. Today when we came here, I was not expecting much, but the hospitality was too good. Staff is quite cooperative, and it's like a happy-go-lucky kind of a environment here when it comes to XLR people. When it comes to candidates, yeah, we have got few candidates, and they are all agreeing to all our terms and conditions, and I hope they join the organization and work for us, and I'm expecting long-term association with XLR people, with more recruitments or more collaborations with them.
XLR has been a good partner for us because we found some of the candidates were excellent, and we wanted people with good business experience, not only just the Java or whatever full stack development or whatever they were being trained on. They were also people with a good background knowledge, and whom we have really shortlisted, and we assume that they are going to make a good career in BusyBrains.
XLR arranged our placements for the BusyBrains company. I felt good. I hope that it will be positive for us and change our lives in IT sector. So thank you, XLR.
Hi, my name is Revant. I joined XLR's course of data analytics. While the course was going through, the faculty were very good. They were guiding us really well, and they were providing in-depth insights of the industry. We were taught the latest things. We were taught what the industry needs, and after that, post completion of my course, we were going through a live project where we were facing real-time scenarios, and we were encountering all those scenarios which we would be encountering in a job. We completed the project, and we got through a certification which stated that we got a data analytics certification from XLR, and after that we were placed in mock interviews, and they also gave us how the interviews are and how tough they are. The interviews were really good, and post completion of the mock interview they started placement drives. Today is my first placement drive in a company called BusyBrain. I really want to thank XLR for providing me this opportunity, and I'm really hoping to see much more opportunities in the future. Thank you, XLR.
When I came into XLR, the learning experience was very good. Today
Hi everyone. Very good afternoon. Hope you people are doing good and great. Yeah. Good afternoon, guys. So we do have learners from Amol, Anand, Anita, Atul, Dinesh, and Divyashri, Dr. Rajshekar, Kartika. Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you people are doing good and great. Thank you, Atul. Hope my voice is audible and my video is visible, right? Chalo. Good, good. Wonderful to know this. Uh, Fine learners. I think we are expecting few people to join. I think that's joining slowly. No problem. We'll start the show with the today's task. What we have been supposed to discuss on that particular aspect. We'll be starting with it. Just a moment. Let me share you my screen. Yeah. Uh, okay. Before we move on to the today's topic, guys. So I just want to showcase you one particular tool which we're supposed to discuss in yesterday's session, couldn't able to do it due to the time limit. The tool for keyword research. This is a tool which has been supposed to do it and discussed in yesterday's session was keyword research. From that particular tool, we have been explored on Google Keyword Planner. Okay. Apart from the Google Keyword Planner, okay, we have one more tool called SEMrush. Okay, this is a paid tool, but you will be getting for the free of cost for first every day 10 keyword research can be done from this particular tool, guys, and the tool name is called SEMrush. This is a beautiful tool where you can get in the keyword planner you will be able to find the average number, but in the SEMrush you will be finding the exact number. Okay. And same things we do have the futures. Like for example, if I'm searching yesterday on the keyword called rosewood furniture. So when I'm searching for the keyword called rosewood furniture and get the results, I got this rosewood furniture keyword volume is somewhere around 1K to 10K. What is the search volume? It is around 1K to 10K. We are just getting an average. It may be varies from 1,000 search queries to 10,000. Correct, right? So, but here in this particular tool called SEMrush, so we are able to see the exact search volume. Like for example, I'm going here and I'm starting with the keyword called rosewood furniture. Rosewood furniture. When I click on enter here, I'm choosing the location. I do have to choose the location. I'll be choosing the location India. So we don't have a precise location. As I said, it is a paid version. If you need to pay certain penny to the SEMrush, okay, so then only it would be easier, or else it will be quite not challenging. We can see not complete results. You can grab it. Okay, so this tool has been accepted across the globe, guys, not only in India. In other countries also this tool is being used. Even in XLRB uses this particular tool, guys. Okay, let me click on search query and we'll wait for a few seconds and we can able to see the search volume. Okay, so what is the search volume for this particular keyword called rosewood furniture? We have a search volume of around 1,600 is the search volume. So we're getting an exact search volume with the number of 1,600. And here you can see the difference between this particular search volume. It is showing an average, but here we are getting the exact number. Okay, that's the main difference in this particular tool, guys. Along with that, when I scroll down, you can able to see what is the intent behind this particular keyword. Okay, there will be a reason behind the keywords, right? So for this, the reason behind this particular keyword that you can able to see under this particular aspect. And here can you see there is an option called intent, and this is called as a transactional keyword. It's a place. What is transactional keywords? Those keywords where the user intent is to purchase, okay, of a particular product. For that we call it as a transactional keyword. Okay, so here you can see the user intent and whether this particular keyword is trending or it is not trending. Apart from this, is this keyword, okay, is having any other views? So it is saying that we do have 5.8K search volumes, but we do have 227 variant types of keywords. That is different keywords. Now, when I click on view all this particular option, you will be landing to this particular dashboard. You'll be landing to this particular dashboard. Here you can see the different variant range of this particular keywords. Can you see 227 variants we do have? We do have rosewood furniture, rosewood again wood furniture, rosewood tree furniture, Mysore rosewood furniture, original rosewood furniture. And when you look into here, what is the search volume? We can see the numbers 1,600, 880, 390, 260. All these tokens can be seen on this particular view. Now, in the right hand side at the corner, you can see when was this volume and when was this is being dated. It's been around 3 weeks ago, 1 month ago, 2 weeks ago, 7 days ago. All the data can be seen in this. So here you're getting an approximate search volume of last 1 year data. Can you see the past 1 year data? We are able to see it. Here you are getting the updated data. Okay, we are considering past 1 year data. Here you can see the updated data. At one thing we can see in this particular tool. Okay. Hope my voice is audible. Can you hear me? Is there any breakout in my voice? As my screen is visible? Can I get some confirmation? Learners, can I get some confirmation? No, Rajsekhar, not possible. We don't need to measure the accuracy is not required to do this particular aspect. No, will not do. Okay. So this is how the things we can able to see. And if you unlock this future, right, you have an option to go ahead and see what are the different types of keywords are available. Again, you do have an option to download this particular list. So here you'll be having an option to export this particular data and it can be exported and that can be seen. Okay. And you have an option here in the keywords. What is this called? Uber's, what is this? Yeah. SEMrush. Here we can see there are couple of questions which is being asked by the people and you can see the search volume of this particular questions also ahead. Okay, when you look into here, right, you can able to see certain couple of questions is being added here. And these are the top questions which has been trending into the search engine. So what wall colors goes with the rosewood furniture? Is rosewood good for the furniture? How to polish rosewood furniture? How to repair rosewood furniture? So these are the things you can able to see under this particular questions. Okay. Here you cannot be seen in Google Keyword Planner. The questions cannot be able to see, but in the SEMrush you can able to see this kind of a question. Okay. Cool. So that's how the things will look into the SEMrush tool, guys. So this is I'm showcasing you this particular tool in the version. See, in a day you can do 10 search queries with the support of this particular tool, guys, for the free of cost. Okay, if you pay money, right, then you can go ahead, and the payable is quite expensive. It is not suggest for the beginners if you are working on it. If you have multiple more than 2 to 3 projects, and if you're working with a big company project, okay, then we use. For XLR, we have a huge pages and the digital marketing, we use a very huge thing. That's the reason we we have a paid version, not the cracked version. Okay, and I think on the monthly basis or yearly basis, the team is going to be. Okay, so there is also one of the tool which I was supposed to show in yesterday's session, couldn't able to. So you can make a note of it. The tool name is called SEMrush. Here we came to keyword overview. If you click on it and you need to enter your keyword, you can able to find the keywords. Okay, so these are the rosewood, keyword tool which you were supposed to explain on yesterday. Now, let me move on to the next topic for the day is called search engine marketing. Okay. So search engine marketing is none other than, we call it as Google Ads. So in today's session, we are going to learn about what is Google Ads, the type of ad network, role of keywords, how to find the right keyword, okay, what is bidding value, different types of ads, and creating the search ad based on the scenario. Okay, so let me dive into this particular topic and let's see how a Google Ads refers to. In simple terminologies, guys, what is Google Ads? Okay, where you pay money to the Google. Google is a search engine where you pay money to the Google to get your website on the top of the result page. To get your website on the top of the result page. For that, we call it as Google Ads. For that, we call it as Google Ads. Okay. So, Google is having the highest share in the market, which around 92% to 93% of the share market owned by search engines is Google. Okay, the first search engine marketing owned by the world and it is leader in the market, Google, and then followed by Bing and Yahoo, guys. Okay, so that's the reason many of the people will be learning what is Google Ads, how to run it. That's the scenario we can expect. Now, Google Ads was previously known as Google AdWords. Earlier, they used to call it as Google AdWords. It's an online advertising platform that lets you advertise your product or service across Google online properties. So Google has certain properties. On across those properties, you can run the advertisement. Okay, it includes such as search engine, partners website, and YouTube and other platforms. Okay, these are the places where you can run your Google Ads. Now let me showcase you with one example. So when I'm going and searching on the internet, okay, I'm searching for term insurance plans. So when I'm searching for term insurance plans, I am getting an advertisement here from Policy Bazaar and ICICI Prudential Life. For this, we call it as the Google Ads. What do we call it as? Google Ads. Now, here you can look into the screen. So where I was speaking about it, it has a search networks and private networks. So that's what the Google Ads is about. Now, let me see, why do we need to use Google Ads? Why do we need to use Google Ads? The first very, very important advantage is it gives you the immediate visibility. Okay, so I'll be explaining you about what are the benefits of it. It will generate you immediate visibility and will be having a flexibility, precise targeting. You can precise the targeting and you can do the remarketing. Okay, see guys, remarketing is not possible in SEO. Okay, immediate results is not possible in SEO. Okay, SEO is not flexible as Google Ads. Okay, and it is cost effective. Yes, you need to pay money, but not for the certain time. And you can do the measurable results also can be given. Okay, now let me take with the next part is called what is immediate results. So why do we need to, it will be showing immediate visibility. Okay, Google Ads ensures that your advertisements get seen promptly. Ads are displayed promptly based on the factors like bid amount and quality. Okay, so it is being displayed not directly. If I pay the money, tomorrow my ads will be shown. No, boss. If you want to run the advertisement, you need to pay the money. Along with that, there is something called a bidding. Okay, the bidding will happen in the auction. So have you heard about the auction, right? You might be seeing in the movies, like the properties will go on the auction. Okay, where the cars will go on the auction. If you're planning to go give a contract for construction of a building of a government properties, there will go for the auction. Correct now. In that auction, okay, who has bidded a low, you will be getting a chance. Sometimes who has bidded a high will be getting the chance. Right now, if it is you are planning to purchase a property, whoever the bids high, they will be owning the property. If you are planning to construct any building, or let me say, if you're planning to take care of the conducting of an event management or not, that time what happens? Bidding, it also happens, but it happens when a person is having a low bidding. Okay, that's how it happens. But here, bidding plays a very important role. When you have a proper bidding, and you can able to run. Along with it, the quality also plays an important role. Okay, if your ads is not having a quality, you cannot run the advertisement, boss. Okay, this ensures that if you have a new product launch or a special promotion, it gets the attention it deserves right away without any long waiting period. So if you fall under the bidding as well as if you're having ad quality is good, then definitely will be able to rank on the SERP in the top. But how? Again, we need to see his. So now I search for the term insurance plans. Now let me say I'm planning to search for the car wash services at, let me say for example, Texas. So I'm right now in Bangalore. I want to just show you the Texas. Okay, so when I'm searching for the Texas, USA, are there any advertisements running for the car wash? Yes, there is an advertisement running for the car wash. 318 point. gadmobile.com is running an advertisement. Again, if you scroll down here, DallasCarDentals.com is running an advertisement. CarDentalSpot.com is running an advertisement. These are the companies which are running the advertisements on the search engine. Yes, they had followed the bidding. They have a good competition between these guys. Can you see? There are a number of people who are dealing with this, and they have a good competition. When if you want to sustain into the competition, yes, you need to have a proper bidding amount. If you're not able to do the proper bidding, then it cannot be expected. Okay. Yes. So yes, you get immediate visibility. Yes. But along with that, what plays? Bidding amount plays and quality plays. So if you satisfy all these things, then definitely you can able to rank on the Google Ad. Okay. Now let me move on to the next option is called flexibility. Okay, what is flexibility? Google Ads provides a range of ads formats to suit different business needs. Sir, mine is a uh, product which I cannot be showcasing in the form of a text. I want to showcase them in the form of a video. Okay, so I want to showcase in the form of an audio. I can to showcase them in the form of a demonstration. So it's that is possible in the Google Ads, and that comfortable is you can see in the Google Ads. Okay. Now, along with that, you have an option to stop the ad which is running live. You have an option to rechange the sentences which you are running live. You have an option to, okay, change the bidding in the live also. Okay, for example, when I go to the Google Ads of my for this particular business. So let me showcase you 1 minute. Yeah. So when I come here and type for Google Ads, oh not network pause. So when I click on enter here, can you see here there is an option called the conversions. Right now my ad is not running any ad space. This is one of my client advert account. So when you click into onto this, right now we are not running any ads. We have kept on hold. Okay, why? Because this is not a season for my business. So that's the reason I have kept on this particular advertisement on a hold. And if you look into this, you can able to see. So this is my Google Ads dashboard. You can able to see. I can have an option to pause the advertisement, kickstart the advertisement, everything. Can you see here? There is an option to enable, pause it, and disable. Everything can be done. As of now, I have not added money. That's the reason the Google Ads is also not turning up to show any advertisements. And you can see here I have the couple of changes can be made on your images, on your text, on your location. Everything can be made. And that's the reason, what do we call it as? It's having a flexibility. It is having the flexibility. Okay. So these are the things which we considered into the terms of why we should choose a Google Ads. First thing, we will be able to rank on the top of the search engine result page. Second thing, it is having the flexible. Your ads can be shown in a different place, and whenever you want, you can run it. Whenever you want, you can stop it. Whenever you want to change the budget, everything is possible in the Google Ads. Then we can go with the next option is called precise targeting. Okay. One advantage in the next more advantage is Google Ads offers you the precise targeting options. You can focus your ads on a particular audience by choosing specific age group, interest, and geographies. Sir, I want to show my display ads only for the who's called what is this called? The teenagers. Sorry, not for the teenagers, only for the women. It is possible to show? Yes. Okay. It is paid. Yes, ma. Google Ads is paid there. From the beginning, I'm telling you, you need to pay certain money. Bidding is coming now. It means that you need to pay money. Okay. That is then only you can able to do, or else you cannot able to do here. Okay. Now let me come back. What I was saying, sir, I want to show my advertisement to the this is relevant to the dress materials, which is relevant to the men, and I want to show only for the men people. I want to show only for the women. That is possible. That is possible in Google Ads. That's what we can see. And it is possible even choosing the age also. I want to show for the newborn baby parents. So we can consider, is it possible? Yes. I want to show to the people who is working professions. Is it possible? Yes. Okay. I want to show to the aged people. Is it possible? Yes. Okay, I want to target the location. So let me see about the location. I am right now in India. I want to target the location who are in Germany. I want to right now I'm in Bangalore. I want to show or I want to run my advertisements in Andheri East. Okay, so is this possible in Google Ads? Yes, it is possible. Okay, so that's what it is saying. The precise target is option available in Google Ads. It offers the precise targeting, like you can focus on your ads in particular audience by choosing a specific age groups, interest, and geographical areas. Okay. Sir, my customers' interest are into purchasing of the oil. My customers' interest are purchasing of the groceries. Okay. Is it possible to do that one ahead? Yes, it is possible to do that things in ahead. Okay. So these are the things which we can consider into the manner and we can be doing ahead into the. Okay. Now, the next one we comes with the remarketing. Okay. Google Ads is a platform where you can do remarketing. Okay. So people who all are came to your platform, right? You can retarget them and remarket them. That option is available in Google Ads. Okay, so I believe many of you people, right, you will be seeing an advertisement in the search engine result page, and when you open instantly in the YouTube, right, so you are able to see this advertisement. How did the YouTube got through your through your path where the it has been visited your website. So with the website URL, whoever saw my advertisement from this website URL, let me show my ads to those people in the YouTube. Okay, let me show my ads to those people in the platforms where this person is searching, where Google has been tied up with the other networks. So there also you can show the advertisements. Okay, that's what the remarketing is possible in the Google Ads. Google Ads allows you to re-engage users who have previously visited your website but did not complete any desired actions. So this kind of an option I have been faced in. Which are the places I can tell which platform? Amazon, I got this particular action. Yeah, one I saw in Amazon. Second thing I saw in Policy Bazaar, insurance, this people also will be retargeting. Okay, so these are the people they use remarketing purpose. So whenever uh, I want to showcase my advertisements, so that time they will be using this one. And then let's we move on to the next aspect we have called cost effective. Okay. You might be not one, you no need to worry here as the primary price model of the Google Ads is pay per click, where you are charged when someone is going to click on your advertisement, boss. The Google will not charge just for the, hey, I'm showing your ads. For this, you are going to pay. That is having a different mode. Okay. But on what basis you are going to charge? We are going to charge on for each clicks, or each conversions, or for each views. Okay, you might be seeing in the videos in the YouTube, right? For each view, they're going to pay the money, not for the click on the videos. When a person is clicking on that advertisement only, they are going to pay the money. Happens in PPC. So like now, the people who's showing the ads here, right? Okay, if I'm looking to hear this, the advertisements for the car wash. Okay, so the company will not be, the Google will not charge the money for this particular company. Okay. Why? Because they're just showcasing that you're not taking any action. Clicking on this particular website and filling the lead form or calling to that particular number. No, we are just seeing and we are just looking it and we are comparing the data. Correct, right? So that's the reason what we considered here. It will be considered on for each click we are going to pay money in display net. Okay, in the image ads, right, where you'll be paid or the amount will be deducted on the form of a person who saw your images. That we call it as impressions. Okay, and then we have something called action. So if someone, my ad is being shown, if a person is taking some action, then I will show my advertise, then I will be paying the money, boss. Or else why should I pay the money? Correct now. That's what we call it as CPM and CPA. So where cost effective with your the lesser budget, you can able to see these things, and this kind of an activity can be performed. This kind of an activity can be performed. Okay. Now let me move on to the next part. It's called measurable results. Okay. Google Ads comes with a comprehensive performance report. You can track various metrics from the number of views, clicks, your receives, the conversions to its drives. So let me showcase you here with the example. So right now I'm able to run, my ad is been running from past so many days. So let me say that from the past, from the day one I have started until now, how much money I have been spent. Okay. Or let me say I want to see the performance of last 14 days. So when I click the performance of last 14 days, you can see the data has been changed. Correct, right? So I spent somewhere around 9,500 for the last 14 days. Okay. And I have been received 418 clicks and I have saw 8,874 impressions. So what is impressions? Impressions are nothing but your ad is being shown, but the person is not going to click on that particular advertisement. For that, we call it as impressions. For that, we call it as impressions. So this impressions, okay, you can see right now we are not clicking on anything now, but Google will count this one as an impression. Why? Because that's the job. So my job is to show it, boss. I showcase in it. Okay, your job is to make sure to drive the traffic in the form of getting clicks. Okay, that's not my hectic. Correct? Huh? Google says that my job is to show this one, and I've shown it, and it is not my job to tell the people to click on it. Okay, so these are the things which we can be able to see. The measurable results we can be able to see. We can see how my ads have been performing. Performance reports can be seen. What is the cost has been charging for by the Google for each lead. You can track the various metrics from the number of views, clicks for your ad, receives to the conversions it does. So these are the things can be saw in the Google Ads. Okay, these are the advantages of the Google Ads which I have been showcasing. Now, apart from this, we do have few more things in Google Ads. Let me go and explore. Okay, so in Google Ads, we do have different types of networks, guys. One is search network, and second thing is display network. Okay, search network and display network. So these are the two networks which plays a vital role in Google Ads. So you need to decide whether my ad should be shown in this kind of an activity or a different kind of an activity that we are going to learn. Okay, the first one is called search network, where you can able to see on SERP and other partners search engines, that is Maps and AOL.com, right? So these are the places. Apart from Google, now the ads, it has been placed in other platforms. Okay, in the Gmail, not only the search engine, guys, even in the Google, not in the Gmail, so not only search engine, even you can see in the advertisements in the local maps. Okay, let me say, for example, I'm searching for hotel accommodation in Shivaji Nagar. In Shivaji Nagar. When I search for this, can you see there is a okay, it is not running any ads. Let me see, is there any can you see there is an advertisement which is showing for them, like these are the ads. Can you see there is a sponsored ads which has been showcasing Regenta and Capito, Jai Mahal Palace, Lemon Tree, correct, right? So these are the sponsored which we can consider. What do we call it as? Those are the sponsored. Okay, and it's shown in the form of a search. Okay, these are known as search networks, where it will be shown on maps. Right now, this is a map, guys. Okay, where you can see more. If you click on it, now it will be showing as a sponsored also. Can you see? Sponsored. Here only you can able to see. So those are known as maps. Okay, and other social as a other platforms also, they have been other partner networks also they do have, like AOL as.com. There also you'll be able to see anything. It will be seen in the form of a text, guys. Most of the time it will be seen in the form of a text for the search network. And then comes with the display network, where your ads will be shown in the form of display images. So if you come here now, it will be shown in the form of a display images, display network, where you can see in Gmail account, other partner websites, animated banners, and rich media. So if I go to my Gmail ID, right here, I do have my Gmail ID account. Sorry, guys. Here you can see there is an option called promotions. You can able to see this promotions. And if you wait for a few seconds, you'll be able to see there is an ad which is going to be popped up on my account. Can you see, guys? Book my show. And sorry, sir. Big Rock and Manipal University. So I was searching yesterday. I was showcasing you about data science. Now Manipal University people are trying to connect me through that particular network. When I click on open, right here, you can see the advertisement will be coming in the form of the images. Okay. Again, when I come and click onto this particular Big Rock, let's say it is a place where you purchase a domain and a hosting for your website to launch on the search engine. Okay, Big Rock is also one of the platform where you can able to see. So they are also doing the advertisement. So this is a part of your display network. So what is this? This is the part of your display network. Okay, so then we will be moving on to the next particular aspect. Then we'll be moving on to the next particular aspect. Okay, so these are the different types of networks. Okay, so advantages as well as what are the types of networks? So Google had two networks, one is search and one is display network. Do you have any doubts? Can I get some yes or no? If you people are clear, let me move on to the next topic. Thanks for the response. How about this? Are you people clear? So that would be really appreciated, guys. If you people are responding, I feel that okay, these people are understanding that module, what I'm delivering it, and you people are on the same platform. So can I get some yes or no from others also? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now let me move on to the next particular type of platform is how does Google Ads works? Now comes the main show. Okay, Google Ads shows advertisement based on your bidding that adds a relevancy to your users and its quality. Okay, what is the amount you are going to bid into the auction? So based on that, along with that, whether you're added a relevant keywords for your advertisement and what is the quality, like whether your website is having a proper landing page or whether your website is having a proper URL. When a person is landing onto the particular web page URL, do you have a proper relevant content? So these are the terminologies taken into the consideration. Okay. Now, once you take this consideration, if Google satisfies it, then you are going to come into the action. If not, you are not able to do it. And it also ensures that user sees ads that align with their interest and needs. Okay. So, boss, even everybody has their own interests. Each one has their own different kind of interest. So, based on that, the Google Ads will be showing the example. Please explain example of a quality. See, quality is nothing but how good is your ad copies or how good is your landing pages. So when a person is coming and seeing your advertisement, okay, you search for this particular query, whether these are known as your ad copies. So is it a relevant to my query? Okay, when I click on this particular web page, it is redirecting and landing to the particular landing page only. For that, we call it as a quality deal. And when I click on that URL, it should open within fraction of seconds. If it is not opening in the fraction of seconds, it means that this URL is having some kind of an issue. What is? It means that this URL is having some kind of an issue. So through that, we can consider it as a quality. Okay, so that's about the quality. Okay, now let me move on to the next part. It ensures that the user sees the ads that align with their interest and needs, and advertisers reach audience that are more likely to the content. Where we have a see in what happens, Google now it will show to the people who is searching for your product. It will not show to the people who are not searching up your product. So why did the car insurance came into the picture? I went and searched. Why did the car services came into the picture? I went and searched. Okay, why did the Big Rock has came into the picture? Because few days back I was explaining about the concept on domain and hosting. I was opened Big Rock website for more than 3 times in the same day, and it felt okay. This person has not taken any action. Let me do the remarketing. So that's the reason they connected me in the Google display network in the form of an image. So that's how the things will work on the Google Ads. Now let me show you one simple example. How does this particular bid value work? In Google Ads, the bid value or a bid amount is the maximum amount of a money you are willing to pay for a click. Okay. So when a person see your advertisement, okay, if a person is taking some action on that advertisement, you're going to pay money. But how much money you are going to pay? Okay, that is called as pay per click will be considered. It may be 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, or 3000 rupees. It depends. So you will tell to Google, please, this is my budget for this particular advertisement. Under that particular advertisement, for each click, I'm going to pay certain penny. That is considered as bid value. For each keyword, sometimes if it is having a huge demand, the keyword cost will be around 20 rupees. If it is having a less demand, the keyword cost will be around 2 rupees. But I will be showing you in keyword research, but you can able to see. Okay. So PPC system meaning you only pay when someone actually click on it. For that, we call it as a bid value. Okay. Now let me show you example of a bid value. Okay. So in the bid market like this, there are certain people will be there, guys. There also will be bidding like with you. Okay. Let me say Hitesh is one person, Amala is one person, and Supriya is another person. And let me say XLR is okay. Sujata is another one person. So now what happens here? Okay, if you are setting a bid of 500 rupees, okay, you are telling Google I am willing to pay up to 500 rupees for each click on your advertisement. Okay, it will see the competition who are another 3 bidders. They were saying that we are going to pay 300 rupees, 250 rupees, 100 rupees. Now, who is having the high bidding in the auction? Myself. Can we able to see this auction live, sir? No. You cannot able to see what is the bidding amount your competitor has had it. That is quite challenging to see, but you can see in which position right now I'm into, and when a person is clicking, whether I'm getting or not, that can be able to see. Okay, so depending on the competition and relevancy, actual cost per click could be lower than your bid. Okay, the actual cost click will be lower than your bid. Let me say if your competitor has quoted for 400 rupees, your bid value, because you given to Google up to 500 rupees, you can go now. Google will not charge exactly 500 rupees, boss. Google will feel, okay, it's 500 rupees is the first version, Hitesh, and the second version is Amala. She is quoting around 450 50 rupees. Now I will quote to Hitesh for 451 rupees because I'm bigger than Amala, right? So Amala is 500. I have given 500 rupees, but Amala told she is giving only 450. So the biggest value for me is 451 rupees. So then Google will charge 451 rupees and rest of the amount 49 rupees will be remitted back to your account. So you don't need to worry. Okay, so that's how the bidding value will happen. So you gave the cost, but the bid, see, your cost is 500 rupees or your bid is 500 rupees. But okay, once you bid it for 500, you are going to pay the cost will be very limited. Okay, bid is 500 and the cost will be limited. That is called CPC. Okay, so where you're going to pay certain money based on the your competition. If there is a huge competition, they will say you can go up to 500 or you can cross 500 sometimes also. Google will feel, okay, in the last 10 to 15 clicks, now I have charged him only 450 rupees, 51 rupees boss. Now there is a huge competition. There is still more left out amount, like somewhere around another 500 rupees. Now let me charge him 510, 520. So that's what happens in the bidding and the CPC will be taken place. Okay, that will happen back end, guys. You no need to worry. It will be not known by you and me. You don't need to sit and do the calculations, anything. No need to worry. Everything will be taken care. But you need to make sure that you should be having a good bunch of money into your ad account so that you can run multiple ads, or else you will be not able to compete into the market. Okay. Now, then we move on to the next part is called role of keywords. So keywords plays a very important role even in the Google ads. Okay, like how it plays an important role in the SEO, right? That's how it is going to play. Okay, now for example, let me show you how the keyword. Now I'm looking for term insurance plans. Okay. Yes, me too, Shweta. Do you have any questions? You have raised a hand. Do you have any question? You can use the chat box. Do you have any questions? Okay, if there is no questions, you can raise down your hand, madam. Okay, thank you. Now, let me say I'm searching for the term insurance plans here, and I'm mentioning the term insurance plans for HDFC. I'm clearly mentioning HDFC. Plans HDFC. So when I click on enter, right? Okay, you can see only HDFC advertisements. Why are you not able to see the Policy Bazaar, or why are you not able to see the Kotak Mahindra, or why are you not able to see other companies? Because that keyword is not added in your advertisement, boss. Very simple. That keyword is not added in my ads. See, the person is clearly mentioning he want to go for the HDFC insurance. Why should I show my company in front of him? Nah, I will be not having anything. I will be losing. Even the person comes right and will say, I clicked on mistakenly, I'm looking for HDFC and I'm wasting my leads. So that's what happens when you are not added those keywords in your web pages, okay, or even ad campaigns, those keywords will not show your ads. For those keywords, the ads will be not shown of yours. So you need to think what kind of a keywords I should add. Okay. So in SEO, right, for one keyword, you can rank in the SCRP. For only one keyword, you can rank in the SCRP for the web page. But in Google Ads, for more than 100 plus keywords, okay, I want to have 100 plus keywords, all the different keywords of keywords you can add, you can rank it. Okay, you have only one website, one keyword can be ranked. One keyword, one website. Okay, if you want two keywords, if you want to rank them two keywords also, same time, it is not possible. Okay, so here for the same page, you can add multiple keywords. Okay, so that's the difference between Google Ads and SEO. Okay, so keywords are the words or phrases that advertisers to target. Okay, so that advertisers to target chooses advertisers to target. So their ads will appear when people search for those terms on Google. Okay, people should search for those terms on Google. When someone searches for a keyword you have selected, your ad will show up in the search result. Sir, I have not added the keyword, but still I want to show my ad. No, boss, it is clearly telling you if you're not selected, your ad will not show. So that's the reason while choosing the keyword, you should think whether I should add this keyword or not. Okay, the goal is to match your ad with the searches of a potential customers who are interested in your product or a service. Okay. See, if you take into the consideration for all the business, we have a huge competition. If you're speaking about the shoes, yes, we do have a competition. If you're speaking about the water, yes, we do have a competition for the water business. Correct. Now, earlier we had only water bottle called Distillery Company. So then later on we have Kinley. Now we have so many water bottle companies, guys. One or not one or two. We have so many water bottle companies. Correct now. So that's the reason there is a huge competition. If you want to be one among them and if you want to be higher, so you should be having a proper keywords to be chosen. Correct, right? Do we agree? Yes. So we need to choose a proper keywords. So that's what happens under this. So again, choosing the all keywords, shall I show for all the keywords or only for some keywords? That we are going to see. Okay. So that is the interesting thing which you can able to see under this particular aspect. So, but customer purchases of similar products are instantly shown. How the keywords embed such reviews? It's again depend on the uh, digital marketer who is working on that particular keywords, Rajashekar. Okay. So it's depend on the person. Okay, from this key, we cannot expect from any keyword. Now, from this keyword, I'm getting the business. This keyword, I'm not getting the business. How can we analyze in one go, in one advertisement campaign? It's not possible. Nah? So no. You are asking that such customers' purchases of similar products are instantly shown. How the keywords embedded with such reviews? That's what. Yeah. So that's what the thing, Rajshekar. So you're expecting saying, no, Rajshekar, I think I'm not clear with the question. So you're saying that, but customers' purchases of a similar products are instantly shown. Okay. How the keywords embolden such reviews? What reviews you are expecting here, Rajshekar? I couldn't get in that part. Can you rephrase the question again in a still more detailed manner? So that would be really great. So how the other products are having the similarity? You're speaking about the, see, each industry has a different way of doing the keyword research, Rajshekar. Okay. So based on that, we will be implementing it. Okay. So that is one point of a consideration we can take it. So that's the reason. But still, if you are speaking about the industry's differentiation, yes, we have a differentiation. But still, how other products are having the similarity? That's what I'm still not getting. So can you still more brief me that part? Yeah, good. Thank you. Now, let me see how to find the right keyword. We will go to Google Keyword Planner to find the right keyword, guys. Okay. Here we do have an option to find out what are the keywords we can use for the our Google Ads. Okay. Yesterday we have picked the top 10 keywords to add into our business. Today we are going to pick the top keywords, top performing keywords to add into our business. Okay. So let me show you. I believe everybody is using the Google Keyword Planner. So I'll go and click on this. The first task I will go here is today I am going to use the keyword planner here with the keyword, same thing, rosewood furniture. I'll just come here and search for rosewood furniture. Okay. So I'll click on enter on this particular keyword called rosewood furniture and I'll see what is the query I have got. So I have got the answer somewhere around 1000 plus keywords or 300 plus keywords. Now, apart from rosewood furniture, people might be searching even furniture also. Correct? People may not be knowing ahead of the furniture. They may be thinking furniture, under furniture, rosewood is a different part. Rosewood, timberwood, hardwood, backwood. Okay. So these are the parts of different kinds of a furniture. So what I'll see, okay, apart from rosewood furniture, I'd like to go and check for furniture also. I will add one more keyword and I'll click on get results. Now I got here an option 3,900 75 change. We have got some keyword ideas. It has from 300 to 1955 keyword ideas we got. Again, I'll go. Okay. African rosewood furniture or timber rosewood furniture, something it is wooden furniture. Yes, it's a part of mine. Yes, I would like to add this one also, wooden furniture. Let me see the get results. Yes, it has increased to 3020 keywords, guys. How much it has been increased? It's increased to 3020 keywords has been increased. Now, if you look into the right-hand side, again, here I would like to remove the keywords which is not relevant to my business. So this time I'm going to add this one and I will remove this keyword which is not relevant to my business. In the right-hand side, can you see brand or non-branded keywords? Click on this. Here you can able to see non-branded is there and branded. See, boys, somebody is searching for IKEA, Amazon, Best Buy. They are not relevant to my business. I will remove them. Almost 100 plus keywords has reduced. Again, I'll scroll down. Can you see there is a contractor? No, my business is not relevant to the contractor, boss. We are the manufacturers and green coach, unique, good furniture. No, again, I'm removing this. Again, I'm removing this. So after removing this, again, I'll scroll down. I'll see other brands, Wooden Street, Rosewood Living, House Reading, Regency, Bed Online. No, again, I'm removing this. See, relevant keywords we are going to add, unrelevant keywords we are going to remove. So somebody is coming in search of some other brand or some other thing. I don't want to show my ad to those people. I don't want to spend the money for that particular advertisement. Correct. Now, why do I need to spend? Again, I'll scroll down. I'll see furniture is relevant to me. Okay, I will add that one. It's okay, furniture, bed, bedrooms, and chairs. And I got an idea. Now I got 2,738 keywords. So do I need to take all these keywords? Yes. Let me go. If I'm having a average monthly search, as well as I will see the competition. Along with that, I will see what is the bid range. Can you see here? Bid range has been showcased in here. Now what I'll do, I'll click on download this one. I'll click on Google Sheet on this and I'll be landing to this page. So I'll mention this one keywords for Google Ads. Keywords for Google Ads. And I'll click on the download. I'll click on the download. I'll choose my Google Sheet. It will be redirected to here. And it is taking to prepare the report. Once the report is been prepared, I'll click on the open. Okay. Let me see the report. Yes, click on the open sheet and I got my sheet. Okay, among these keywords, right, I'm going to filter with next level also, guys. Okay, among these keywords, I'm going to filter few more keywords. So how? It's very simple. See, I want to show my ad which is having a good search volume, high search volume. Okay, and not on the search volume which is having a 0. So what I'll do, I will remove these two things initially and I'll add my filter, delete the rows. I'll click on this. I'll try to remove the currency part, delete the column. I'll try to remove the year-on-year change, 3 months change, challenge. Okay, can you see here there is an option called competition? No, I'll keep the competition. No, competition. No, I don't want that. Okay, I'll keep the bid range. Okay, I'll click on right, delete the selected columns. Again, I'll click on this, delete the columns. Okay, so like this, I will be able to see. So I'll click on open everything and I'll come to know this is the range. See guys, for the keyword called Rosewood Furniture, okay, it is having saying that boss, from the last 1 year, we are running the ads for this particular furniture. And when there is no competition, we are going to charge for this keyword 2 rupees. When there is a huge competition, we are going to charge up to 3 rupees, 36 rupees, 43 paisa. If you calculate both of this, if you divide it by 2, okay, you'll get an average value. That is your bid value you can get. So with the add of these keywords, right, you'll get an over idea of how much the bidding cost would be. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll just go here. I'll click on filters for this. So I want a filter for this particular section and this particular section, and I'll click on filter. Okay. And here I'll see. I'll go here. I don't want when there is no search volume for 0. No boss, when there is a 0 search volume, why do I need to show my ads? I'll remove that. Again, I'll remove this blanks also. Again, we do have 50. 50 is a low performance. I'll remove that one also. I'll click on OK. Okay. If you look into my bottom of the screen, right, how many it has been? It was having a value of 2,738. It has reduced almost 1,700. It means that again, almost 1,000 keywords have been reduced because these are not performing very well. And again, I will look into here. Couple of keywords are having, which I am not selling them into my business. Like sofa, yes. Sofa beds, okay. Office patio furniture, I'm not selling. Again, I'll go to each one of them and I will remove them. Okay. Now I'll come here. I'll choose. I want a high competition and medium. I don't want a low competition. low competition means I can go ahead with the SEO. Na? I'll remove this. I'll click on OK. Again, it has got reduced, guys, 1635. Okay. Now I will go here and I'll try to filter the unwanted keywords like TV stand. I'm not selling. Okay. Coach. I'm not selling. Okay. People are just selling for the coach, not selling sleeper sofa, coaches like this. I'll go identify one by one and I will remove them, which is required to my business. Okay. This is the one way of filtration. Now, after doing this filtration, you get almost some, let me say, assume we have 1000 keywords. We'll get an average idea how much money it might be. Then I'll keep it as a bid value. If it is 1000 or 2000, I'll just keep it as a bid value in my daily budget based on the location also, guys, because I need to choose the location that I will be showcasing you. So based on the location, then we'll be choosing the cost also. Now we got a final keywords. So for Google Ads, so now what I'll do, I'll copy these keywords and I'll keep it ready to run my. So I will see which of the keywords is not performing. I'll remove it. Let me say these are the keywords which is not required for me, like console table, corner sofa. Okay. So let me say these are the keywords which is not relevant to my business. So I will choose these keywords. Okay. So based on this, I'll try to remove the keywords. Just for randomly, I'm showing this. I know very well how the things will work. So that's the reason I'm just picking ahead. And now I got somewhere around 1500 keywords. Okay, again, see here, marble dining table. It's marble coffee table. No, boss. I'm not selling any marble coffee table. Again, you need to go individually. Keyword research will not take it in one go. You need to take it individually and you need to go ahead. So I delete like this. Glassdoor is not relevant to my business. Again, I'll delete this. Okay. So like this, you need to do the performance part. Okay. Once you are done, then you need to choose the right keywords. Okay. So this is how you do the keywords, and this is how the keywords plays a vital role in the search engine marketing. We identified the keywords. With the support of that identification, we done the keyword research. Okay. Let me do it as a practical task for you guys also. You can go to here. You can identify the relevant keywords for the businesses, what you have been picked, apart from the rosewood furniture. Take 5 to 10 minutes of your time. Then you implement, you get ready with it. Then I'll be showcasing you one project scenario. Then we'll be implementing on that. Okay. Start working on it, everybody. And let me know once you people are done. I give you 5 minutes of a time, 5 to 10 minutes of a time. That should be great. Who did not understand, let me know. I'll explain you guys. Who have understand, that is clear. Okay, once you people are done, let me know. We'll move to the next topic. So on different types of ads, we'll be learning on that. Okay. Okay, cool. Let me stop you here, guys. Few people have completed and sent the message. Please hold on to here because we had few more things to learn on this particular task. That's the reason. Let me move on to the next particular topic is called what are the different types of ads we do have under Google ad. Okay. Under Google, we do have a different types of advertisements, guys. The first one is called Google search ads, where you will be seeing the advertisements in the form of a text. These are known as search ads, guys. Right now, we have checked on the content right here, term insurance policy plans for the HDFC. And when I click on here, I'm able to see everything in the form of a text here. Can you see? It is coming in the form of a text. Correct. Now, these are known as text ads or the search ads. This is the first type of advertisement. And second we do have is called Google display ads, where your ads will be shown in the form of display networks, in the form of images. Okay. Like for example, I believe you people might be using a couple of web pages. You might be seeing a news channels or news websites. Okay. And whenever you go to that particular web pages, right, you might be seeing certain kind of an images in the left hand side and the right hand side, or why there is a no advertisement. Can you see? There is an images. Okay, there is no images is shown here. Okay, let me show you another website. Hmm. Plagiarism detector. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Unfortunately, no display ads are playing on me on my website. Yeah. So finally, yes. Can you see there is an advertisement that is showing here at the bottom and ads by Google. Okay. So there is an advertisement which is showing here at the bottom. Can you see, guys? This is known as ads by Google and it is showing in the form of an images. Correct now. So images. Again, this is by ads by Google. Okay. For this, we call it as image ads. For this, we call it as image ads. Okay. Ad networks. See, those are networks there. These are types of ads. We call it as different types of advertisements. Under Google now, we have a different types of advertisement. That is a network and this is a advertisements. How the advertisements will be run and how the advertisements will be seen. Okay. Now, again, apart from this, we do have the next advertisement is called shopping ads. What is the next advertisement for the day? Shopping ads. For example, I went to Google and I'm searching for the product on running shoes for men. Okay, running shoes for men. And I search for this particular query and you're able to see this particular option called sponsored. Right now, that is called as shopping ads, where you will be able to see a image. Below that, you'll be able to see the headline and the pricing and the company URL. Pricing and the company URL. For that, we call it as shopping ads. For that, we call it as shopping ads. Okay. So you can able to see and you can able to review it. Okay. This kind of an advertisement is going to be in most of the shopping scenarios. That time we use shopping ads. And then we have the next advertisement for the day is called video ads. So whenever you go to the video, I believe you people might be experience this one. Correct now? So if you're using the browser, correct now? So let me say I'm planning to play this particular video. Okay. And here I'm able to see initially, can you see there is an advertisement coming from the Galaxy jewelries. Okay. And you have an option to not to skip this particular advertisement because it's a non-skippable advertisement. Okay, there are different kinds of advertisements like this we do have where it's a part of, okay, it's a part of video ads. We can consider as a video ads. It is possible to run and place on this kind of an advertisement. Okay, then comes with the next particular advertisement is called universal app installation, that is called as Google app ads. Okay, where if it will be promoted most of the times in your mobile phones, guys. If your example, if you're searching for Zomato, Swiggy, Ola, Uber, and we do have so many applications which you are not used, and if you are searching for that, you will be able to see. Let me show you Google app ads. Okay, let me show you the images. So this is how the apps will be done. So where is an application? It will tell you to install the application of that particular that application. Okay, you'll be able to see at the end of the advertisement. Okay, then mobile phones, you can able to see this advertisement, guys. There is no proper example to showcase you, but yes, you'll be able to see on the mobile devices. If you are having a mobile device and if you are not installed that mobile application, you'll be definitely getting this particular what is this called advertisement part. Okay, so you need to pay certain money. So these are known as Google what is called application ads. Okay, so under Google ads we do have 5 ads. One is search, display, shopping, video, and the application ads. Okay, now let me move on to the next the next task for the day is called the live one kind of a project. Okay, so let me consider there is a scenario, guys. So this is the scenario for the Google ads. There is an electric company that provides residentials and commercials electric services has been using in traditional marketing. Okay, they are the people who are being using and dependent on the traditional marketing methods such as billboards, flyers, and radios. Okay, there is a company of electric company. They are doing this particular activity. Okay, now while these strategies have been somewhat effective, the company is looking to increase its customers. What? The company is looking to increase its customers based by reaching more people online. Okay. So they're saying that I want to increase my customers more. I still feel that traditional marketing is very good, but still I need to increase the customer somewhere in the online. I can see there are Chroma, or we can see Reliance Trends, Reliance Digital. These people are came. I want to still more give the competition for them. So the scenario came to us, and we as a digital marketing specialist. So what is the solution for them? So here is the question or the solution. They said that how can Google Ads help them to reach the people who are actively searching for electrical services? Okay, electrical services, not the products, guys. Okay, electrical services. I think we have Urban Club. They are the company. They provide electrical services. If you have any electrical issues, now that they can do. Now, what is the solution for this? We need to run the advertisement for this particular company. Okay. Now, what type of an advertisement we need to run? They're clearly telling that we need to go for a more people to be engaged in. So we want more customers with the regional basis. So for that, we are going to run the search ads. So how do we run the search ads? First, we will do the keyword research on electric services. So we'll go to the Google Keyword Planner. Okay. And we'll pick the electric services as my keyword. Okay. Oh, I think I could have been done electric service. Okay, let me click on electric services and let me click on get the results. Do I have any electric services? Yes, I do see that 248 keywords are available. Is there anything I can remove from the branded and non-branded part? Yes. Can you see there are a couple of keywords? I think I can remove them. After removing them, I got 195 keywords. I'll click on download. I'll click on to the Google Sheet. I'll make this one as a electric keywords, electric service keywords. So let me click on download and I got a report is being prepared. Now, see for this particular keyword, you cannot see there is no much high volume. High competition is not there. It means that we can rank it aramsi. So now what I'll do, I will filter these two things. I'll pick the top 20 or 40 performing keywords, delete the 2 rows. So I'll remove the currency. I'll remove the year on year, 3 months challenge, competition, and I'll delete the columns. Okay. Now what I'll do here, I'll go and keep on the filter part. Okay. So I'll click on directly the filter part. I'll add it. So I'll take the high performing keywords. I'll remove the 0. I'll remove the 50. I'll click on OK. I got 164 keywords. Wow. I got 164 keywords. That's really nice. I'll see anything range is not having a proper value. I'll remove the blanks also. There is no searching also, then why need to have? I have 81 keywords. Then super. Okay. I'll copy this keyword list. I'll keep it ready. Now I'll go to my Google keyword. And here I do have an option to create a campaign. First, I'll click on create a campaign and choose the campaign. Okay. So what campaign you would like to create? I'll click on skip on this. Why it is coming me? So here you will be coming the campaigning. This is your objective. Okay. You click on create a campaign without a goal. Scroll down and choose a campaign called as search advertisement. Okay. What do you need to choose? Search advertisement. Why? Because we are going to create that particular advertisement. Let me click on search and let me scroll down. Here you need to choose the websites. Boss, by the end of this advertisement, what do you need to want? I need to want a person should come and land on my web page. So let me see a random company for electric services. Electric service. Okay. I think, oh, there are running already ads, boss. Okay. No broker is there. Home Triangle, electricians in Bangalore. Let me take this one as my business. Let me click on open. So I'll see whether this is, oh, this is really good. So same thing like your urban, you see this one. So I'll take this particular as my web page. I'll come to my advertisement. I'll choose the website. I'll click on the website URL. Now again, I'll scroll down. Then I'll click on continue. Okay. What is the goals it is asking you here? You can choose any goals. By default, it is coming as you need to choose the goal. We'll wait for choosing the goal. So when a person is coming and viewing on my page, I will show, I want to give an action now how the bidding will happen. When a person views on my page, I'm going to pay the money or else I'm not going to pay the money. And I'll give the campaigning name. Okay. So I'll mention it as search ads for electric services. And turn on the enhanced conversion for your account, not required. Click on continue. Oh, 1 minute. No problem. So what do you want to focus on? Conversions, or if you want to focus on clicks, I'll focus on clicks. Okay, I will not ask Google or I will not give any direction. Boss, please charge, I'm going to charge the money or I'm going to pay the money for every click, initial click for 1 rupee or 2 rupees. I'm not going to suggest anything on that. Okay, so I'm directly going here and I'm trying to come here and click on the next aspect. Okay, so then comes with here the Google search networks and display networks. Let my ad show in both search networks as well as display networks. Okay, after choosing the bidding, right, you are not giving any them instruction for each click or each money you are going to pay money. No. When you are running an advertisement for the first time, right, guys, don't directly click on bidding, guys. You need to you don't choose any bidding from your end. You need to give the freedom to the Google. So let the Google can analyze and let it come back and then you can implement it. Okay. So then it comes what the main thing is called countries. Okay. You can choose complete world that comes with all the countries, or if you want to choose only India, you can choose only India. And if you want to choose the enter the location manually, you will enter the location manually. Here we do have an option called advanced search. Kindly click on this. You can able to see the map in the right hand side. Can you see this? Yes. Now what I'll go, I'll add my locations one by one. First, I'll add the location I'm planning to target the area of Karnataka. So Karnataka. So this is my city. I'll click on include and my Karnataka location has been added. Can you see the Karnataka location has been added? Wonderful. Now what I'll do, I'll go here and I'll search for the next particular location called Maharashtra. Okay, I'll target Maharashtra. Okay, again I have been added this particular location. Correct, right? Sir, I want to target this time only cities, sir. Only city. Okay, I want to target this time. Is it Udaipur? Is it possible to target Udaipur? Yes. Udaipur is in Rajasthan. I'll target only Udaipur. Okay. Sir, I want to target the city called Chennai. Okay. Is it possible to target Chennai? Yes, it's possible to target Chennai. So like this, you will target the locations and you have chosen different locations. And when you look into the map, right, you can see the map, it will be in the blue dotted color. Okay, which all the places you have chosen now. So as Maharashtra is near to Karnataka, that's the reason you're getting a bigger version. If you scroll up, we have chosen other places also here. Okay, and you can able to see there also. I think we have chosen other place also. Can you see Udaipur is also got a tick because it's a city, right? So it will be in the smaller part. If you have chosen a state, right, it will be in the bigger part like this. Even Chennai is showing in the smaller icon. So once you have been chosen the location, we are done with the location. Yes. Then click on the save. Click on the save. So stage 1 is completed. So these are the places I want to run the ads on these places only. Sir, I am from Dehradun. I am from Punjab. I am from Chhattisgarh. I am not able to see the ads. Why? Because I am not able. I am not choosing that location, guys. Because my client has clearly told me these are the places we want to choose the location. So that's the reason I chosen these locations. Correct? Now, after choosing these locations, let me scroll down. And here we have an option to show. See, it is clearly telling select the language your customers speak. What? Your customers speak, not what not your ads will be shown in that particular language. Do not get confused. The languages here it will be shown for your customers speak. Okay, based on that. So I choose an English. No, I'll choose all the languages, boss. Because India is having all kind of languages. We have more than 100 plus languages across in India. I want to show them all the languages. Okay. So even ads will show to that kind of a customers who speak the different languages. Now again, I'll scroll down here. Do not use anything on this particular aspect. Click on more settings. Again, scroll down here. You will be having an option to optimize your performance ad. Let it be like this. And then comes with the start date and the end date. When would you like to run your advertisement? We need to run an advertisement. We have certain days, right? Every day we cannot run the advertisement. Nah? So that time we need to start. Nah? So here we have option to choose when to run the advertisement. Say, let me say I want to run the advertisement on 25th. I'll choose it as 25th. And when would like to run the advertisement end? So let me choose it. I want to run the advertisement end on the next month, 16. Okay. So see guys, remember one thing, whenever you are running the advertisements, okay, whenever you are running the advertisement, okay, so always remember to have 15 days of continuous running the advertisements if you are running the ad for the first time, okay, so that you'll be able to see the good results. If you are not running the ads for the 15 if you want to run the ads for only 2 days, again I'll stop it, again I'll run for 5 days, again I'll stop it. Google will not understand na, and it will say, okay boss, I will not show it to the right audience. It's your headache. What Google will say, it's your headache. So we cannot say anything and you need to work on it. So keep those things in the mind and click on start date and end date. And rest of the things you don't need to worry. Let your ad run all the day. You don't need to worry. So these are the both things you're not required now. Okay. Then click on the next. Now, no boss, not required. 1 minute. Let me reload it. So some kind of a quick update was came. So don't select this one, guys. It is telling that we will only generate the title and description. Everything will be done by AI. No boss. I'll get my business with this and click on skip this step. Kindly click on the skip this step. Okay. Now we are landed to the main place. Now we landed to the main place. The first thing what you need to do here is here. Click on end the chat. Here you need to add the group name. You are creating the group. You can add the group name as electrics services. Okay. Then you can add your URL here. Again, then scroll down here. What then you need to mention the keywords. Can you see? It is telling you clearly to mention the keywords. So where do we find the keywords? We can go to electric services. Here are our keywords. I'll pick the keywords of the top 10 or 20. Okay, I'll take the keywords. Let me say this. Come here and let me paste this keywords. Arey Baba, where is it? So let me enter my keywords here. So I'm done with my keywords. Now, after that, we have few more and scroll down slowly. So here comes with your headlines. So as you are having already given your URL, right? You need to make sure to fulfill this headlines part. Okay, add a headlines, include the popular keywords, make a unique headlines, everything you need to fill it. So click on view ideas. So what are the ideas? It is telling that boss, you need to add these are the headlines. Okay, electric services in Bangalore, professional electric services. Okay, again, let me say, get us touch in today. Okay, great electric services. Okay, view prices and deals. Now, when I keep on adding these headlines, right, can you see it has been getting strength, a strong and strong ahead. Again, along with that, I need to add popular keywords also. Click on this. Okay, can you see here? This is the thing which has been mentioned. Electricians near me. So this is having a search volume good in the last 30 days. It is showing 5 lakhs. Okay, let me add this popular keyword. Why I no need to add it? Correct now. Let me scroll down. Here we do have an option to scroll down. Let me see where can I add. Okay, let me remove this part and let me add it here. Okay, let me click on this. Now, can you see this particular keyword has got tick mark? Correct now. Let me say electric. Okay, electricity per kWh. Okay, not electric installations. So this is near to my keyword or near to my business. I will add this. So let me scroll down. Electrician installations. Let me copy it and let me add it like headline. So once you add it right, your strength is becoming good. Okay, again this telling, see this one also you should make it highlight. Okay, again let me see electricity charges. Okay, let me add it and let me come here and let me paste it. If it is relevant to your business, you add it. If it is not, then keep quiet, guys. Okay, and let me add contact us today. So like this, you will need to add it. Once the headline is being added, scroll down, you will be having the descriptions. There are certain descriptions by default it is coming. If you want, you can choose the different descriptions, find and create electric professions. Okay. And you need to make them unique. Again, click on this ideas. You will be getting few ideas. Oh, these ideas has already been used. Then you don't need to worry. Okay. Again, let me scroll down. So let me scroll down here. So that's it. That's it. You don't need to work on it. Then click on the done. Then click on the done. So we are almost completed with this particular task. Now, what are the project which has been assigned or which are the scenario we got it right? We have completed that particular scenario. Okay. I think I completed it. Right. Let me go on the top. Yeah. Can you see? The scenario is completed. Distilling that these are the couple of things you need to distilling. You need to add. No need of required. Okay. Then click on the next. Now, see, based on the keywords what we have added, right? It is telling a daily budget might cost you around 1,298 rupees 56 paisa for the suggested locations, or else you can go with the highest, medium, and the low. And they're saying that we are going to generate you 5,905 clicks. For each click, we are going to cost you somewhere around 154 rupees. Sorry, 1 rupee 54 paisa. And again, you can see this. So you can go with this also. Then I will say customization budget. I will go, boss. I'll say that I'll pay you 2,000 rupees. See, if I'm paying 2,000 rupees, it is coming me weekly. You're getting 7,302 impressions. Average clicks you might be getting cost, and this is the cost you might be happening for the weekly cost. So when I go for 500 rupees, let me see what it will happen. Even for 500 rupees, I can run the ads. Correct, right? We are getting an average around 3,690, but CPC has reduced because we are spending less money. Can you see? The amount has been reduced. When I add 100 rupees, just imagine how it will happen. It will be still worst. Can you see? It has been reduced and the costly is also increased, guys. Correct, right? Clicks you also reduce, cost also cost is decreased. Why? Because we are paying only 100 because we run the advertisement for so many. We are choosing the number days. Okay. So I can go with somewhere around 1,855. So again, we get somewhere around the cost around 7,031 clicks. Again, CPC has 1 rupee 84 paisa, and the weekly cost is this. Correct now? So you can able to see the cost and the things, everything under this particular. Okay. So this is the thing is possible. So now once everything is been done, let me scroll down and click on the next. So it will go under review, guys. It will go under ad review. I'm not paying any single penny, boss. But it will go under ad review, and you can able to see, boss, here it is giving you such a suggestions. If you want, you can add it. It is not recommended now. Okay. So just go through this. Anything is been required. Locations, keywords. We have added 50 keywords. Audience segmentations. Okay, I have not chosen audience segmentations. 1 minute. So where do you want to show your ads? Whom do you want to show your ads? That is very important. Nah? So I'll mention, come here and I'll type, okay, people who are looking for electrician services. Electric services. Electrician services. Kindly type it. Electrician services. When you type this one, we are getting the clear pictures. So we are getting the clear pictures. So here there are certain topics. Okay, see, electrician services who are people, home inspections, flooring service. Okay, flooring also required electrician. So electrician something na. So if it is relevant. General contracting, molding, remolding services, not plumbing service. In plumbing, no, electrician will not come. Okay. Again, roofing services. Yes, we need to put the wires on the roofs now. Lawn and maintenance. Okay, home and gardening services. Auto and repair and maintenance. No, mine is not an auto repair bus. Okay, you'll need to choose like this. Okay, again, construction jobs. No, do it yourself. Home and gardening. You need to find out under the audience, type the keyword what you're looking for your business, and you can do it, and that particular keyword can be added. And once it is been done, again, scroll down, click on the next. So again, you can skip this particular step. No need to recount it. Click on the skip. Yes, here comes with our ad copy if you want to change anything. See, guys, this is how your preview looks, ad preview. If you look into the screen now, so what are the keywords we have added? It is looking like this. I think electrician services I have written in the small letters. That's the reason it is coming in like. Let me add it a big letter. Okay, wait, let me change this one also. Okay, let's change this one also. Okay. Okay, so you can preview your ad. How does your ad looks like? Can you see this? My ad looks like schedule a visit today, 24/7 services. Correct now? Are you able to preview this? Yes, not? Okay. So this is how you basically run an ad for the scenario which the person is looking ahead. Now let me scroll down everything. Let me preview anything is left out. Then let me click on the next. Done. We have added the budget. Let me click on the next. It will again go once again for the review. Is there any changes it is suggested? You can see. Search campaign and page views. Okay, maximum clicks, bid quality for the new and existing customers, and Google and search networks, locations, language, home and garden ordinance, broad match is off, keywords is there. Okay, ad copies is there, and budget is there. Click on the publish. So your ad will get published only when you pay the money. Can you see it is telling that? Click on the next, not required this one. So I'll remove this is for the advanced part. Let me close it and let me show you whether your campaigning is ready or not. So here comes your campaigning. So we are not running any campaign. Can you see? It is under the process of approval and there is a policy review is in progress. Okay. And you need to activate your amount, then you can able to do it. Okay. So that's how the campaignings will be run. Okay. So I want you guys to complete this task practically. Okay. And we have plenty of a time. So kindly do the keyword research for the electricians company service, guys. This is the practical task you need to do in the class. Okay. Identify top 50 or 30 keywords where it should be done and it will be implemented. So add those keywords to your Google Keyword Planner. So sorry, first pick from the Google Keyword Planner, get the keywords. Okay, then then slowly start creating the search campaign. So in the search campaign, you need to follow the steps. What are the things have been shown, and then you need to implement it. Okay, it's a practical task, guys. So we are working on a one project-based scenario. Okay, that would be easy. Start working on it, and if you find any difficulty, let me know. I'll help you. Okay, cool. Guys, attendance links will be shared on 4:45. We have another 12 minutes. So you'll be getting on the time attendance links. Okay, thank you. In meanwhile, you can complete this practical task. Okay, cool. Anybody have any issues, let me know. And after some time, once you people are done with the campaigning, I'll showcase you how to add the money. Okay, fine, guys. So guys, again, I'm telling, if you feel any difficulty, let me know. I will help you out. Okay, you can tell me the scenario because I've given you the scenario. Okay, you can go through it, and I can take it as a practical. So it would be easy, guys, when you implement this task. Because yesterday I have shown you how to uh, create the Google Ads account or keyword planners. With the same account, we are going to implement the task. Okay, thank you. Thanks. Somebody has responded me. We are working on it. Thank you. Is anybody is left out stuck with the stick keyword research, guys? Anybody need any help? Kindly do the proper keyword research. It would be easy for your ads, guys. I'm repeating, I'm telling you again. Okay. Okay. I can see Asfari Telangi. Okay, so one person has completed the ad. Good job. So how about others? Okay, thank you, Nishant. Nishant is completed. Super. Sure, sure. I'll definitely show you how to add the amount and where does the amount looks like. I'll definitely show you that dashboard also, guys. No need to worry. Let others also complete and let them come back. Then I'll start that one also. Srinivas, it's very simple. We were been occasionally showcasing them how to create the search ads. Okay, it has been done. And I want you guys to create the search ads. So showcasing, we had a scenario. You need to follow the steps. So how to do the keyword research, where to add the keywords, and which website you can pick it, and how to choose the audience, and those things you need to be doing, Srinivas. That's what we have been sharing, and the things can be implemented back. Okay, clear, Srinivas? Good. Thank you. So, super, Srinivas, thank you. Learners, rest of the people, are you people completed? You need some more time? Okay, let me give you another 3 minutes of a time. Then I showcase you how to add the billing section part. Okay, and I'll show you how does a billing also looks like ahead. So when you have been adding ahead in this particular aspect, right, in the Google Ads. So let me showcase you into the part. 1 minute. Yeah, this comes here. So let me show you how the account I used to handle and how the things has been done. I'll showcase you so that you can get an idea. Now, can you see here? Here we do have an option to create a campaign. So below this, there is an option called campaigning goals, goals and tools, and below you can see the billings. So when you come and click on this particular billings, you will be redirected to this particular screen. Okay. You can see this is the available fund. Currently, we are running this particular advertisement and the funds are very low, no problem. So if you look into this last payment, which has been made 3 to 5 days before, guys, and you can see the history of the advertisement. So how much of the payment we have been made. And this year, if you look into it, 6,000, 19,000, 27,000, 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. So this is how the payments will be added. So if you click on add funds, right? So here you'll be having an option to add a funds. Okay, not now. Okay, fine. So here you'll be able to see the billing activity. This is the billing activity section. So how the bills has been done. So what date to what date, what is the tax fees, what is the adjustments. Okay, there was an adjustment which has been made. All the cost and amount spent. Okay, what is the running balance, what is the left out balance, everything you can able to see. And this is the for which advertisement we are running. We are able to see the advertisement which is running for the Performance Max campaign. Okay, you can able to see the Performance Max campaign for that particular advertisement. You're able to see this one. Now here you can see the transactions. So how the transaction has been made. Okay, and you can see the documents, what are the documents you have been submitted. Like it will be asking you the PAN card and the details, and you can download the invoices which has been made from them. So it is easy and aramse downloadable. No need to worry. And you can see the payment methods where you can use net banking and where you can use your debit card and a credit card. And once you are eligible, if your ad account is eligible, even Google gives you the credit note based for sometimes. So based on your spend, it will give you certain credit notes, and even that is also possible. Okay, so that's how the things will happen in the Google Search Ads campaign. And here you can see the payment gateway. Okay, are you people clear? So you got an idea how to add the payments. So where we'll go to payment section part. So I just want to show here again, I will show you once again. So go to the billing part. Here you will be having an option called billing. So you can see the billing summary. If you want to add the funds, so click on add the funds. As we are already redirected to the net banking, it will be asking you the payment methods. So do you want to change the net banking to another aspect? You can click on change the net banking method. You can go with the debit card or a pay with bank transfer. Anything can be chosen. So once it has been done, if your account is activated, then it will be. So please keep in mind, guys, when you are adding the net banking or adding a debit credit or a credit card, right? Make sure you need to enable your international transactions. What? You need to enable your international transactions. If you are not enabling your international transactions, it is quite challenging. Let me be practical. It is not that much easy. So it will be very tough challenge. Okay. Why? Because if you're not enabling, how can the amount will be credited to that particular Google Ads account? Huh? So because Google is not having the company in India, right? So that's the reason. So always make sure to enable the transaction. That would be easier. Okay. Are we clear? Super. So people who are yet to finish, kindly finish. Okay. If you have any doubts, I'll stay back. We have another 10 minutes left out. Okay. If you are completed, I think 5 to 7 people have said that we are completed. Few people are still working on it. Okay. We can work ahead. And I will help you out. I think we are left out with another 2 more points. Yeah, I think scenario is done. So let me give the solution. So solution is very simple, guys. Google search ads allows you to target a specific keyword that people are searching for when they need electric services. Okay, so we use a keywords called like emergency electricians near me or electric repairs. So ads to the people who are actively searching for these services, and you can able to run the ad. Okay, so that is the solution. We are already implemented the solution. Okay, so we have learned what are the things we learned today, guys. We learned about what is Google Ads, why Google Ads is important. Okay, how to run the Google Ads based on the scenario. Where I saw showcasing you one scenario practically and how does it will be done, and what are the types of Google Ads we do have. We have learned on this. One, we see how the Google Ads will showcase into the manner, and that also we have been implemented. Correct, right? Along with that, we give the solution for one particular task. Correct? Yes. Yeah, yes. You can watch it in the email link. Okay. Cool. So that's the view of this Google Ads case. Do you have any questions in Google Ads? It's a very simple thing, guys. I just showcasing you a simple. We have a lot of things to learn on this. As due to the time constraints, I could have able to demonstrate on this. Okay, for more details, you can connect to the team. They will help you out on, and they'll help you out on what is the more to know more knowledge on the digital marketing ahead. Okay, cool. So kindly let me know if you don't have any doubts. So I will wrap up the session and I'll hand it over to the other person. So I will be waiting for, we'll keep for 1 minute. So for whether 1 to 2 minutes, is there any doubts is there? Okay. Okay, people, we have shared you the attendance sheet. You can fill the attendance sheet in the online and YouTube also we have been shared. So people who are waiting for your attendance, you can get into the attendance and you can fill into. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I can see no doubts. So people are so clear on the topic. Cool. That's it from my end. Chandana, you can take it over from here. So thank you for the beautiful you spend and time, guys. Have a wonderful day. I'll catch up you in tomorrow's session with the next topic, with the next kind of an activity. We'll have some more fun in tomorrow's activity. And this is Hitesh Segu signing off from XLR. Have a wonderful evening, guys.
Yeah, thank you, Hitesh. Yeah, faculty members, I'm sharing again the attendance link. If you missed out your attendance, please mark it, okay? Any more questions, you can ask me here in the chat box. Okay, so Lakshmi, due to some network issue, I'm unable to fill the day 2 session feedback form. If possible, kindly share the link. Okay, like yesterday's attendance link, we can't able to share. So Lakshmi, like 60% attendance is mandatory, you know. So from today onwards, like don't miss any feedback to mark. Okay.
Thank you, Chandana. Thank you, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye Hitesh.
Thank you.
So Bhaskar, recording sessions you will get in LMS. Okay. I hope no more questions. So we'll wind up the session for the day and we'll meet on tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, thank you for joining.